welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing video, and please excuse the scuffed state of this setup. It was a bit hard to find a gaff to film it, and I'm currently filming this on a floor in my gym. I have a home gym, and yeah, so right, so I bought this from Esbit, and it's also it's the Garrison gap that I posted about, but it's also a lovely. It's also a mystery item that I ended up ordering as well. But I mean, hopefully it is. I don't know if it actually is the Garrison cap and this, but it could be because I ordered them 2 different ways. So yeah, the blade is dull as well since it's a repro. Right. Alright. So it is also the mystery item. I'm looking at it right now. So I'll actually set that aside. Lovely. Right. So let's get into what this video is about. Right. Lovely. So, turns out that the thing actually wasn't even shipped yet, so that's actually pretty funny. That's actually very funny. Well, so there's going to be 2 unboxing videos now. That's going to be fun. Let me check it. Yeah, right, it's lovely. So this is actually the second item that I ordered. The other one is, I think, is either still in shipping or is either is probably, I actually don't know. Could be still being shipped. If it is, I'll do another unboxing video. I'll show you the mystery item. So I actually ordered a excuse me. I actually ordered a post-war Esbit stove that I'm thinking of redoing. And I also ordered the box. So I'll do like what most YouTubers do, and I do the most least interesting thing first. Because, I don't know, I want to make the video last or some shit. Wow, this is actually shit. Well, so it's a post-war Esbit stove, and it basically, Jesus Christ, how the fuck do you open this? It basically is going to be used in a future video. But I kind of want to talk about, I'd like to talk about how German soldiers used to eat back then, which would be fairly interesting, I think. Okay, yeah. So this is the box with the instructions. Now, I don't know how to read German, but I could actually translate that. Look at Jesus Christ, how does this fold? Right. Piece together the box now, will I? Lovely. Now I'll link all the stuff in the description if you guys want to buy them. So basically this is really just pocket litter. This is more or less like a pocket litter kind of thing. No, I'm not going through that hassle again, so that's actually quite heavy than I thought. Right, that did not click. There we go. So, yeah, this is an Esbit stove. Now, this is a post-war Esbit stove. It is an original. I did not have about €90 lying around. So, I decided to get a post-war. But, yeah, so the way you can tell if it's a post-war is these little nubs here. these little knobs basically show if it's post-war, post-war or wartime. So the way you can tell it apart is wartime ones would be flash. I'll put up a photo. I'll just put up a photo comparing the two right there. So basically these are post-war because they have these little nubs, and what you do is you basically put this down in the field and you would have these things called Esbit tablets. They're actually, you can see them on these. That's that little thing right there. And basically what would happen is you would put tablet in, get a match, flick it, put your mess kit on, and you'd make something. Most likely back then it'd probably either be a ration that you had. And the Americans had something similar, but they always did praise the German ones. No idea why, but they said that the German ones were better than the American ones, which is quite a thing. Now, I don't even know if this would fit in the box. Oh no, it would. So I'm going to put this in its box now, and then it's going to be very cool. Oh yeah, perfect fit, lovely. I'll show the instructions in there as well, might as well. I actually don't really want to get these dirty, but yeah, so I might be doing another video on kind of doing up the actual Esbit stove. I have a lot of rust remover and stuff. Make it a bit more presentable, because it actually is, excuse my handshake as well, I have a treble in my hand. It actually is very rusty, but sure, it was only like €3, so that's not even that bad. Lovely. You see the back. I also have to cut my nails, really sorry about that. Yeah, so that was just a short unboxing video of an Esbit stove. So yeah, that was pretty fun. I will be uploading another video of unboxing the actual garrison cap. But yeah, that's actually how the lads going.